Have you ever been a video editor that needed to make a text message? Well, in today's episode of Will It Work, a show where we test out templates to see whether they're all that they're cracked up to be, we're going to be testing out a text message template right here in Envato Elements. Envato Elements is something that thousands of you guys have already signed up for. If you have not already, go into the link in the description and click to take advantage of our $9 deal. It's pretty cool. Assuming that you've already signed up on the first link, we're going to go to the second link now to get to the page where we're going to download this template on Envato Elements. We're now going to click download. All right, first things first that I notice is that this is a Premiere Pro template, which means I'm assuming they're probably going to use MoGRTs. MoGRTs make it easy because it means that you don't have to know how to use After Effects. The thing that can suck about MoGRTs is that they can be really laggy. This text message effects pack looks amazing, but if the MoGRTs are too slow and laggy, this effects pack will not be practical enough to actually use. I'm in Premiere, I have my Essential Graphics panel up. If I do not see my Essential Graphics panel, I'm going to go to Window and make sure that it is checked. Then I'm going to go and install MoGRTs by clicking on this icon in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to go click on the folder with my MoGRTs, and I'm going to start uploading them. I'm then going to import some stock footage that I again downloaded from Envato Elements as well. I'm going to create a new sequence from that clip. It's now in my timeline, and now let's start testing out some of these text messages to see how they actually work. My MoGRTs are now loading onto the timeline. First thing I notice, it seems to be taking, I thought it was going to take a while. Did not end up taking too long. I'm encountering, and Premiere just froze. I wonder if it was because of these MoGRTs, maybe it was because I was running OBS, or maybe it was just because Premiere can suck depending on when you're using it. And we're back. Premiere is back. We're gonna take another look at these MoGRTs now that Premiere is back from being frozen, and we're gonna see just how smooth and practical they actually are. So, Premiere froze again. I need to figure out why Premiere is freezing. In order to find that out, I'm gonna just restart my computer. Okay, we're back. Computer is now on. These text messages are opening up like so. I'm realizing something that I've known for a while. MoGRTs take up a lot of processing power. The most efficient way of solving this is just constantly rendering out your timeline. It can be annoying sometimes, but if you are not someone that knows how to use After Effects, this is a pretty good alternative to learning a whole new VFX software. The reason why MoGRTs lag so much is you're basically encapsulating the power and processing ability of After Effects inside your Premiere Pro timeline. So it's crazy. There's a lot happening underneath the hood, and we have to learn how to appreciate it. Luckily, MoGRTs have gotten a lot faster than they were even a year ago. With every update, according to Adobe, MoGRTs are getting faster and faster. I'll say though, depending on the update, I often tend to doubt that fact, but we'll see how the future holds. All right, so if you go into Essential Graphics, you have the option of adding as many text messages as you'd like. Right now, we only have right message 1 and left message 1 checked. And you can see the text right here. There isn't really anything interesting here. It says your text message here. If you go down and go into write text message 2, you can activate it by clicking on this link, and bam, there you go. And then you can make a longer conversation by then clicking on the associated left message 2. And you can keep going and adding as many messages as you want, and then clicking down and editing the text. And you can make it say hello. Cool. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. You can go to literally any of these. If I go scroll up, go to browse, you can see any of these other text messages here. Some of these MoGRTs look more like iPhone text messages. Some of them look more like Android text messages. You get the point. The thing I like about these is that they are very customizable. The main con I will say is the very fact that you are having to use MoGRTs in Premiere. Right now, there is really no other option. If you want some type of complex effect pack to work in Premiere, the only way that Adobe enables that to happen is through the use of MoGRTs. So because of that, I'm gonna give this pack a 6 out of 10. But guess what? I have one solution that will actually change your life. If you actually want to learn After Effects, it will completely change your life regarding all of these Premiere Pro MoGRTs that you might download from Elements or any other site. The solution is don't open them in Premiere. Open them up in After Effects. Check this out. If you go to any of these MoGRTs and you right click them and you go open with, and then you say After Effects, this MoGRT will actually open up in After Effects, and it will literally open up as a normal After Effects project file. And it's gonna have all the same parameters, all the same effects, it's gonna look very familiar to how it looks in Premiere, except for some reason, it's gonna play through smoothly, almost seamlessly. You won't have almost any lag at all. And in the end, I feel like MoGRTs are just a lot more native to After Effects because MoGRTs are actually made in After Effects before you actually use them in Premiere. Food for thought. If you want to check this pack out and a lot of other dope packs out, just click them in the link below. But I'll say though, as far as any packs that you download from Envato Elements or any other video assets website, try not to use Premiere Pro MoGRTs if you can. If you have to download an After Effects pack, use an After Effects pack. They're not as hard as you think.